Hi everybody, thanks for tuning into my video. Today we're actually going to do a two-box break of the 2021 Panini Diamond Kings. So in the box, what we're going to expect in each box. So we've got 8 cards per pack, 12 packs per box. There we go. And then obviously in a case there's 24 boxes, and each set is 170 cards. So in one box we're expecting one autograph, one memorabilia card, 12 inserts, two gray frames, and one plum frame. So looking forward to this. I'm actually a big fan of the Diamond Kings product. I've actually bought it in previous years. What I do like about it is that there's a good blend of Hall of Famers and new players. Now I know Panini doesn't have the license for the logos, but I found that with the cards, they've done a great job of kind of covering that. So in previous years, again, I'm a sucker for a lot of the old school Hall of Famers, and I really like the feel of the cards and the value. The pricing actually this year surprisingly wasn't you know wasn't as insane as I've seen other product. For instance, like a lot of the basketball stuff right now is just really high. I know the UFC Prism product came out, and that was the pricing on that is way beyond my expectations. So really glad that the Diamond King product was priced reasonably. So here's the box. So got Babe Ruth there. Let me turn it around for you, for folks who want to see that. And great. So we're going to do two boxes today, and let's get started. So like I mentioned, previous years I've bought this product, and I had a lot of fun with it. Grabbed various autographs, and some really cool Hall of Fame patches, actually. I really enjoyed those, so let's pull those out. So there's the empty box there. There's one. Move that there. Let's get the second box. And as well, I actually live in Canada, so getting this product was actually not as easy. I know our friends in the US there right now, a lot of your states are really opening up or have already opened up. So just to kind of give you an idea, in Canada, we can't even really walk into a card shop and buy a box. We actually have to pre-order it or get it mailed to us, and then we do either curbside pickup or, like I mentioned, it come to our door. And right now with obviously with all the mailing, there's been a lot of delays, so that's been tough as well. So very happy to get this product. So here we go. So let's start off there. Here's your pack. And if there's any info there for you folks. So pack number 1. Got a nice satchel there. Let's take a look who we have here. Bobby Dalbeck, a patch auto. It's a sticker auto, but again, with a product like Diamond Kings now, that's what you're gonna get. But it's very nice there. So it's pretty early. Ken Griffey Jr. This is the club insert. It's a very nice card. Great designs. One of my favorite players of the 90s. Bob Gibson. Ooh, the Diamond Kings. It's a really nice card as well. Okay. Hammer and Hank. Harmon Killebrew. Decoy. These are just very attractive cards. I love the colors. Oh, this is a tougher pack. Open. Mickey Mantle. One of my faves. Oh, here we go. It's an artist proof. Keyberts Ruiz. I apologize if I butchered your name. And that's numbered 24 of 49. Artist proof. Very nice. Yogi. Charlie Hustle. That's very nice. Ty Cobb. Fantastic card. And here we go. Oh, the Lou Bob framed. Ooh, Rod Carew. Colors really stand out on these things. Vladdy Senior. Oh, and we got a decoy. I thought it was something. Tani. Mookie. Ted Williams. And got a framed Joe Sewell. Rhino. Honus Wagner. Mr. T206 himself. Sammy. Acuna. Ah, there we go. Vladdy Jr. Tatis. Got another bordered. Mr. Tavares. That's great. Mel Ott Art of Hitting. It's a nice insert. So far, like I mentioned, there's a lot of rookies, and like I mentioned, a lot of nice Hall of Famers, which, as you can tell, I'm actually checking out more of. Satchel. Oh, that's really nice. I like this card. It's a great picture. Mike Schmidt. Hopefully, with everything getting back to normal, we won't have, or it won't be as difficult to get new product to open, because this year, like I mentioned, it's just been a disaster. And again, I hope my friends in the U.S. there, these guys are it's a lot easier for you to get products. So, ooh, that was really nice. A Willie McCovey autograph. Oh, that's pleasant. Very pleased with that. It's numbered out of 10. Number 3. So that is great. Very pleased with that. Glad I can share that. Carl Hubble. Let's take a look here. Freddie Freeman. Harold Baines. Jeez. Got a patch there. Great White Sox. I do remember watching him as a child. And, yes, there we go. Oh, wow. That's a fantastic card. Should be in the Hall of Fame. If you folks do ever get a chance, watch that movie 61 with Roger and Mickey. It's a great movie. And Roger, very much deserving to be in the Hall. Walter Johnson, Big Train. The Big Hurt, Frank Thomas. And I think he just got hurt, Bryce Harper. Albert Pujols, fantastic, fantastic hitter. Jolton Joe DiMaggio. Mr. 56 game hitting streak himself. Like I said, I love it. I love it for these cards. These Hall of Famers. Lou Brock. We've got a ordered Mr. Harper. Please get better. There's a Vladdy Sr. Mallart and Carl Hubble. Mike Trout. He is a great player. Fantastic. Mr. Williams. Decoy. we're more than halfway done our 2 boxes. Like I mentioned earlier, really happy with the Willie McCovey, and I really dig the base cards. There's a bunch of rookies here. I'm gonna have to take a look at those later to see who I have. But I really like these cards. I really do. Onus again. Bordered. Mr. Bryce Harper. Joe Morgan. Another Vladdy Jr. Tatis. Pee Wee Reese. Sorry about that. Another Mickey Mantle. In my books, you can't get enough Mickey Mantles. I wish this was autographed. Sticker, or cut, sorry. Probably not. If he had a sticker one, I'd be suspicious. But, yeah. Topps actually got his rights back. So, hopefully they'll be putting out some attractive Mantle issues. Eddie Collins. The clean sock in the Black Sox scandal. Here's a base Roger. Charlie Hustle. Ty Cobb. Just going through our last stack here of packs. Aaron Judge. My favorite modern day player right now. Again, I've got a Yankee bias. Who lives in Canada? Mr. Cal Ripken. Oops, sorry about that. Hazards of Live box breaking. And who do we got here? A bordered Lou Gehrig, the Iron Horse. Great card. Great player. Again, coming from a Yankee fan who lives in Canada. Love that card. Also, with the packs having Babe Ruth on the front, would obviously be phenomenal if I had a Babe Ruth cut auto or bat piece. That would be fantastic, but those odds are probably long, and you'd have to be very, very lucky. Walter Johnson. Decoy. Oh, here we go. Babe Ruth, the club. The Bambino. Second to last pack. Let's hope for a Ruth Auto or Ruth Bat. Big Hurt. Bryce Harper. See what we have here. It's a dual patch. Jared Oliva. That is numbered 40 out of 50. Very thick card. Take a look at that. And here's our last pack. Joe D. Brock. Mike Trout. Walter Johnson. The Big Train. That's a great, great card. And there we go. So that's our 2 boxes. Got that Ricky Machado. Some of the cards I enjoy here, the players, the base, Maris, DiMaggio, Harper, Onis, Trout, Harold Baines. We got another patch. A Willie McCovey autograph. This is nice. I really, really like this. So that was great. Cobb. Cunha. Let's take a look here. Again, this is 2 boxes. So, and then here's our other autograph. Right. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps you in terms of your decision to buy. If you wanted to buy some Diamond Kings, I think it's a great value for what they're charging right now, and you get some nice Hall of Famers, and like I mentioned, we got the McCovey autograph. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to grow this channel. It's just for collecting and sharing, and I really appreciate it. As you see, I'm trying to grow it, I'm trying to get better. So thanks again, and I hope everyone takes care. Thanks again. Bye bye.